Hi friends, in this video we will learn about LLMs, that is a large language models. So just start explore how LLMs power language based AI, enabling smarter interaction and automations. So LLMs is a AI models trained on a massive text data set. So, what is LLMs? LLM is a AI models trained on a massive text data set. In image, you can see in backside of this text, there is a lots of massive text data. So, LLM is that a model which is trained on this text data, and we can ask by prompt anything to LLM model, and this will give answer on this massive text data. So LLM is a one kind of a AI model where we can ask anything about on this massive text data which is available on the internet or any organization data. So what are the functions? So here you can see, first understand the LLM, generate and interact with the human language. So what LLM is do? LLM understand the human language and generate the output. So what are the uses? In chatbots, coding help, translation, summarizations. In that use cases, LLM is used because we ask anything, whatever you want help, you want something, then you can ask to this LLM models, AI LLM models in our human language also. If you want to translate, it will translate also. So how LLM works? In deep learning output, here you can see, use transformer to detect complex language pattern. LLM is used to the transform to detect a complex pattern, grasp grammar, facts, reasoning from a training data, generate the context aware, coherent text response. Key terminology. In LLMs, tokens means text chunks, words or characters. Parameters. Model weight, size indicates capacity. These are also we use in a LLM's model. Here you can see pre-training versus fine-tuning. Pre-training general learning versus specialized adoptions means there are some specialization adoption means specific data, just like a secure data, government data, finance data, healthcare data, and general purpose data, that is general user use. Prompting, input method guiding outputs. Popular LLMs overview. Here are popular LLM model. GPT, that is developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT, Codex, Cloudy, Cloudy 3, Gemini, currently Gemini 1.5, Llama, which is developed by Meta, Llama 2 and 3, and there are others. There are many more LLM models currently used in a market, and continuously developing LLM models by specific organization, because everyone started developing LLM's own model for enhance and improve work efficiency. Closed versus open source models. Here you can see closed models are GPT-4, Cloudy, Gemini, which is accessed by API, proprietary control. We can get by this a paid version by using a API also, and we can customize and use in our organizations for a particular purpose. Open source models, Llama 3, Mr. Falcon, they already host on some particular hosted models. Fine tuning model encourages research and innovations. We can contribute in that also. Types of architecture. Here you can see decoder, decoder only. In that GPT, Llama, Excels, and text generation. This is used for text generation. Encoder, decoder. This is used in a T5 but for translation as summarization. Transform the turned it one language to other language to one language. Mixture of a expert means the mixtures combination of data. Application of LLMs. See, LLMs used in chatbots, assistant. Example is ChatGPT. Enhanced communication. We can ask anything. ChatGPT is one kind of LLM model. Behind that, LLM model sees work. Whatever we ask in ChatGPT, so LLM takes the parameter all this which we ask in text format, and they give output to us. Code generation. Now LLMs is very useful for generate the code, automatic programming. Example GitHub Copilot. We can generate the any code by using a GitHub Copilot LLM models. Content creations for writing, summarization, blogs, and many more. Support, research, customer service, academic assistant. Here you can see in image. This is a chatbot. This is a large data set. Company, whatever. Now everywhere is using the LLMs models in chatbot, ChatGPT, and Gemini. That kind of formats use LLM models. Challenges and limitation of a LLM. Bias and hallucinations. Occasionally incorrect or unfair output, because sometimes this LLM models has a limitation and challenges which can give the incorrect output, because sometimes text may be incorrect. That's why these things may be happen. High cost. LLM model is a very high cost. Privacy ethics. Data can be shares. Data and energy needs. Require a large data set, consumes energy. In images you can see and you can understand as well. Conclusion and future direction. Transformational impact. Changing a human technology interaction. Because nowadays everyone using a generative AI. And in generative AI, LLM models is used. So transformational technology impact, because in every business, every software, there is a one Gen AI application is used, which is a followed by a LLM models. Research goal in everything, everywhere LLM models is working. So that's all about LLMs and LLMs models. So nowadays generative AI is working everywhere, and LLM model is the most important part of which work on a large data set and which give output to us. So that's all about the LLMs and what are the LLM models use cases. So thank you for watching this video.